Hi, I'm Norma from Norma's Quilt Studio, and I worked on this video last night. This is a Nancy Haacke design, which I'm going to show you the specifics about it, called Lines and Pearls, and it is a point-to-point design. Hi, this is Norma from Norma's Quilt Studio, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to do these lines and pearls in this star pattern I'm doing called Rippling Stars. But it has these diamond points, and so I decided to pick this design by Nancy Haacke. And I'm going to show you the properties real quick. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to do P, and that shows you that it's Nancy Haacke's Lines and Pearls. So I used that, and what I wanted to show you is how easy it is to connect them and do them all at once together. So there is 10, all of them together, and I'm going to stitch them all out at once. I put the boundaries in, and then I put the design in. However, I did not want to snap them together because it was distorting the diamonds too much in the design inside. So I wanted to show you a real easy way that you can do that without distorting the image. So I have already set up all of them and made sure that the nodes all match, and the nodes needed to match at the beginning and the end so that the design's connected. So I'm going to show you, for instance, here I'm zooming in so that you can see it. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click my nodes view, and you can see right there that here is where my node is, and that is the end of this one and the beginning of this one. So they would not connect unless I connected them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to force those nodes to connect with each other. So that one's right there, and I'm going to leave it there because it looks like it's coming right at the end where I want it to, at the tip of that diamond. And then what I'm going to do is take this one, and I'm going to take that node, and I'm going to move it over to there. And actually, I don't think I'm going to move it a little bit more into the middle between the two so that they connect right in the corner. So I'm going to move both of them. So now I've got that connected. So what I'm going to do is go back out, and I'm going to try to order join, and I want it to start from this side. So I'm going to start with that first design, right click, and go down and hit my order join. And perfect, they all connected perfectly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go stitch that out and go over to the machine, and let's go look at that just a minute and see if I can switch you over to the actual quilt. Alrighty, so here's the actual quilt, and we're going to start stitching it out, and I'm just going to stitch a few for you just to show you how nicely they come together. So let's zoom that in a minute, and we'll start quilting here. Got myself a tangled mess there. So they go right into the points. Sometimes I will hold my hand down and make sure that it's getting where I want it to, but it's been very accurate throughout the whole process. And again, it was real important for me to not distort the image, so I did not snap my ends together. I did focus on finding the end node and connecting it to the beginning node of the next design. So this was really, really nice to be able to do my quilt fast, and I'm able to stitch out like 10 of these at once. So how great is that? So I'm going to try to pull it in because it's going to get ready to connect. And there it kept going, and it's doing the next one and connecting perfectly. So have a good evening. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it was helpful.